if I had to restart trading, this is exactly how I would start. So today we're going to cover exactly what it takes to become a profitable trader and the steps that you need to focus on, especially if you're a beginner. Let alone, I'll also give you the tools that you are going to use and need every single day during the trading sessions. And as a little bonus, since it's Christmas, I will be giving you my 1 hour strategy that I use every single day during the New York Open. Guys, the strategy that's ever yet to fail. As you can see, I have passed many funded accounts with this strategy and got payouts. So stay tuned to the end. I'm sure you're gonna love this video. This is gonna be the most important decision of your start of your trading career, and it's gonna be what to trade. You have many options over here, so not to get overwhelmed, I'll break them down into 4 that you actually should consider. Stocks, futures, forex, and crypto. Stocks are like Tesla, Nvidia, Apple, Meta, Amazon, Netflix, Google, you name it, Coinbase, all of those stocks. If you want to trade futures, well, that's going to pretty much be a combination of all of those stocks. So like the NASDAQ is 100 future stocks, or the S&P, 500 of those future stocks. Another option, forex. If you want to trade Euro USD, Euro US versus Japanese, or Euro Yen, that is another option. Crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, you name it. Coin, whatever. I don't even know the cryptos. I don't even trade crypto, but those are going to be your options. Personally, me, I like to trade the futures, NASDAQ, and the S&P because they are the most volatile. So that being said, let's get to the next step. Now, a company to trust to actually be able to place trades on the market, it's going to be Hero FX. I have a link down below. You can get a little signing up bonus to give you guys some free money. Very important. And what's so important about trading is having the right broker. So what I really like about this broker is, first of all, they have a very high leverage, 1 to 500, which, yes, could be dangerous. But the reason it is so amazing for beginners is you don't have to deposit $20,000 into the market to actually trade to make, I don't know, $10. Here, you just need $100 at most to make $20 in profit. So you don't need a big starting capital as you would need with other type of brokers. What's also very nice is they give you 2 main accounts, either the zero commission account or a raw spread account. Zero commission, you have very low spreads, which is pretty much saying when you enter the market, you might get a little slippage and enter over here and automatically be negative like a couple cents, which they offer very low commission slips. So that's beautiful, but you have zero commissions. So you pretty much, it equals out. You have expert advisors, of course, 170 plus symbols to trade. Of course, the leverage, and of course, minimum deposit of $5. Guys, what other broker offers that? And the raw spread account, which is the one I personally use, that is what I find the best, because when you actually enter a trade, you're automatically in the profit. And what you pay commission starting at $1 per lot. Guys, the raw spread account is just the best account that you could possibly get. So this is a very good broker that you should try out. Let's hop to the next step, and that is Forex Calendar. Guys, I cannot stress this enough. You are going to use this. This is going to be like your baby. This is going to be like your Instagram. You're going to be here every day analyzing this, because this is going to tell you when you should trade and when you shouldn't trade. For example, first thing coming up, go to the filters and only check USD. And you want to have a red folder, yellow folder, and yellow folder, orange folder, I meant to say, not yellow. And this is very important. Yellow folders are medium impact news. Red folder, very high impact news. Red folder is what's going to skyrocket the price. And yellow folder, not as much. And the orange folder is just going to be just simple, low impact news. So guys, for example, January 5th on a Monday at 10 o'clock, red folder news, manufacturing PMI news. You want to be out of the market. You do not want to be trading when that hits. You only want to be trading after. So guys, this is pretty much going to be the set in stone. you want to keep in mind every single day when you enter the market, you always want to know what type of news is getting released by the press and by the Fed. So keep that in mind. 4x factory, very important. So I think I gave you guys enough information and you guys stayed all the way to the end, so you deserve it. Let's jump into the live example. The strategy, most important aspect of trading and where your money is going to be made. So, of course, as I said at the start of the video, you need to have a proper risk to reward and proper strategy. You cannot jump into the market and guess, I think price is going to go up, I think price is going to go down. No, you're not going to make money like that. So this is exactly a plus strategy that I use every single day. First off, you want to mark out your buy side liquidity. Buy side, pretty much just a very strong liquidity pool that you mark at obvious highs in the market. Once you mark out that buy side liquidity, that's pretty much just saying that there is a lot of liquidity in this area and the price is going to come and tap into it. Secondly, you want to pair that buy side with a fair value gap. What is a fair value gap? It's just a gap in the market that never got filled and price always wants to come back, retrace, get all that money and pretty much that energy to have that push lower. So on the 1 hour time frame, we mark out that buy side and that fair value gap. Let's hop down to the 2-minute time frame. On the 2-minute time frame, what are we looking for? We want to see a sweep of a high. So right over here, what do we have? We have that manipulation leg. And right down here, we have that market structure shift. Guys, if you don't understand and what I'm saying over here is just pure gibberish, I'm going to leave some links down below, or you can find them on my YouTube channel. I explain every single one of these concepts. So next thing you want to look for is that inversion fair value gap. Take that entry the second we get that breakthrough, and standard deviation from the highs right to the inversion fair value gap. Guys, this is so simple. -1 could be your full take profit, or -2 could be your full take profit. Let's see where price wants to go. -1, bang, that could be full TP or partials, and that -2 gets slapped. Guys, it's as simple as that. That is that A plus strategy. So buy side liquidity, fair value gap, 1 hour time frame, come down to the 2-minute, manipulation like market structure shift, inversion with the standard deviation, -1, -2, take profit, boom. Guys, if you guys do need help into the new year, I have a link down below. It's free, it's completely free. And you can check out the group and I can help you one-on-one and teach you exactly everything that you need to know. So got a free trial down below. Go check that out. And make sure to go follow my social medias down below. Stay up to date with my life if you do care. And I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Peace.